Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a CommBank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular CommBank app, and upon doing that you will simply sign in first, and then you will see this little hi icon on top right corner. Go ahead, tap on it. Once you have done that, you will find this kind of interface which lets you chat with connect with us option, which includes message now and your messages. Go ahead, tap on this message now and simply write down that you would like to delete your account or close your account. Let me know how I can first. Provide your account information and you're good to go. Other thing is simply going to your dial, and if you are simply here in the overseas and you have opened account from overseas, you can choose to simply dial this number, call them directly and let them know that you would like to delete your account. Plus you can state the reason that I am overseas, I cannot do it physically, please make it easy for me and do it for me. If you are in the area, you're not out of your country, then you can simply choose to again call them in this number, which is different from the overseas one, and let them know that you would like to delete your account. Please proceed with it. If you need any verification, you will provide it, but please delete the account. That's how you can simply communicate and present your concern and delete it. So these are the ways. Feel comfortable to choose any you want, and you will be able to. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.